In this video, I will provide you with guidelines that will help you to get rid of the malicious pop-up windows that are related to the site pressrestraint.com. The site pressrestraint.com is totally faulty. It displays fake human verification alerts which try to make users click on a special allow button, supposedly to help you confirm that you are not a robot. But if people mistakenly do that, and if they click on allow, the browser is hijacked immediately. People start getting the tremendous amount of ads that are not related to the sites that they visit. So to deactivate such ads, access the menu, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. Go down to Permissions and choose Notifications. You need to pay careful attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications. So if you find this press restraint, remove it from the list. I also recommend that you research your device with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and then start investigating your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.